Hello everyone, I pray God for all your wellness. Today's painting, I bring you an idea to create a sunrise scenery. I am applying yellow acrylic from the center part of the canvas board with a moist flat brush size 14. Next I am applying red on the top of the canvas board, and after that blend the colors together from top means dark to light. Are you beginner? This paintings for you. If you don't know any idea to paint means this painting for you. Just to try this. This small scenery painting will bring you to paint vast scenery and help you to improve your skills in paintings. Now we can see top on the canvas board a red shade, and next orange shade, then yellow shade. After finishing the sky background, now I am picking blue acrylic to create the sea water. Next I am adding white acrylic with blue. This will give light shade of blue colors. Here I am creating the depth part like dark shade and near the seashore light shade. So I am adding more white for the light color. The basic beginner's guide videos are available in our channel. Please check it to your practicings. If you are the beginner, those who are watching this painting, parents who are watching this 5 minutes paintings, please ask your children who are interested or non-interested in paintings to just ask them to practice it. This will develop their creativity more and improve their skills. When we paint, this will provide some mental rest that lowers stress and generates relaxation and happy feelings to us. Here I am mixing with blue and a little bit of red and a little bit of white to create the landside. Now creating the cloud with the same blue color wherever we want. Next for the highlight I am using the yellow color. Now here I am creating the sun with white acrylic color and water reflections too. Please just you do like this as I am doing. I hope that this painting is useful for beginners practicing. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.